So once you select a frame and ask them to try it on, and a pro tip here is to take a look and give them honest feedback on fit and why you like the frame on them.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hand someone a frame. Kim was just here, she got her glasses. When I was helping her select, I was saying, Kim, try this frame on, I think it'll fit you. And then I'm giving her feedback on how that frame fits her and looks on her. Kim, I like that fit on you. Your eyes are dead, you're saying these words, that your eyes are dead center in the lens horizontally. So I like the fit. I like the fit on your bridge. And then I also like that style. It's giving you kind of a lift in the corner and it's kind of a cat eye style and it looks really good on you.
Okay.
So you're giving feedback. You're not just handing frames and going like, yeah, try this one.
Yeah, okay.
It's like you're giving feedback of why you chose this frame for them.
Okay.
And then this obviously what you asked about earlier, you're getting feedback at this point, that feedback loop. You might hear them say, I don't know if I really like cat eye on me. Okay, I'll take that note. We can try something that's not cat eye. You know, I thought it looked good on you, but that's fine. What do you like? And so those are those feedback points where you're listening as an optician, getting ready to make that next choice.
Okay, now it's at that point, it's just like logistical reasoning and deducting. Okay, you don't like this? Okay, let's take this away.
Yep.
You don't like this? Take this away.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. But I think a key point is that honest feedback. That's what people don't get everywhere.
Yeah.
A lot of salespeople are like, oh yeah, it looks great on you. Let's wrap it up. Slow down here. We want to make sure it works for them and it works for us. Because at the end of the day, this isn't the last pair of glasses we're going to sell them.
Yeah.
We want to sell them multiple pairs down the road. We want them to send their friends in. So you want to give that honest feedback. And it differentiates you as a salesperson when you give that kind of feedback.
Because sales, like, people, they already have a rep of kind of like, you know, get them in, get them out. Oh yeah, that just looks good on you because they want to, you know, secure the sale or whatnot. So I kind of noticed that you kind of like approach it at a pace of, okay, do you like this? Okay, a little bit slower, you know, make sure like they are comfortable with it or whatnot.
Yeah. It's part of my personality too, Julian. I'm slower, but.
Hey, man, I'm the same way, man. I got to analyze things.
Yeah. But yeah, I think what I want in that experience and what I think most of us want is just clear feedback. Okay, so you like it on me. Why?
Yeah.
Because like one thing to say, oh, I like that pair on you. Why do you like it?
Yeah.
And that's what gives us a chance to talk about fit and why we chose it for them. Yeah. I like that, you know, and stuff. I think I actually say it in here a little bit. And this is where you kind of keep it light and fun. But here are some things that I say. This frame really brings out your eye color. And if it does, you know, you're not lying, you're saying the truth. Like that frame, that color really makes your eye color pop. I mean, that's great feedback. I chose this color for you because I think it's just something about it. That frame, that kind of like, what is this, like a rust color?
Yeah, it's kind of like a
matches my beard.
Yeah.
Right? So that's why one of the reasons why it's a great frame on me. So you're pointing out those details that you noticed, and then they're looking at it like, yeah, that's right, that does look good on me. Okay. So you're finding key points, specific feedback of why you like that frame on them.
Okay.
The other one I put, this frame falls just below your eyebrows with a nice contour. There's no rule about where it falls with your eyebrows, but there is something about it. If it kind of contours with your eyebrows, there's something kind of cool about that, and it kind of outlines it. Women especially, you know, they're always kind of taking a look at their eyebrows, and so that's something to keep in mind. And this isn't true for every person or every frame. I'm just giving you examples of what specific feedback looks like.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So then that third one, notice how your eyes are centered in the lens horizontally. You're pointing out, not, hey, that fits you. You tell them why it fits them.
Okay.
Specific feedback. Notice how this is a good fit on your bridge. You point out the bridge style. Actually, Julian, this is a saddle bridge, and I'm noticing you're getting full contact on that bridge. That's going to make it comfortable throughout the day.
Okay.
Boom. You've given specific feedback, and you've given them a reason why you like that frame on them.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
That way you're more trusted because you're knowledgeable of what you're talking about.
Exactly, yeah. Trust is built through specific feedback in sales.
Yeah.
In our industry.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes, sir.